curious minds, ready to unlock the secrets of our amazing world? Let's get started. Have you ever wondered why a ball stops rolling or how a rocket blasts off into space? It all follows a secret set of rules for how things move. Our universe is constantly in motion. But this motion isn't random. It follows 3 simple, powerful laws discovered by a super genius. Meet Sir Isaac Newton. He was a brilliant scientist who figured out the 3 secret rules, or laws, that control all motion everywhere. Let's open his rule book. Newton's first law is the law of inertia, which is a fancy word for laziness. It says that things like to keep doing whatever they're already doing. An object at rest will stay at rest. This sleepy soccer ball won't move an inch unless an outside force, like a kick, comes along to change its motion. And an object in motion will stay in motion. Once it's moving, it will keep going in a straight line at the same speed forever, unless another force stops it. Newton's second law is about how hard you have to push. The rule is force equals mass times acceleration, or F equals ma. Let's break it down. It's simple. The more mass something has, or the more stuff it's made of, the more force you need to make it accelerate or change its speed. And the more force you use, the more you can make something accelerate. That's why rockets need such powerful engines to lift off. Newton's third law is my favorite. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. It's the law of pushes and pulls. When you push on a wall, that's the action. You are applying a force to the wall, but the wall isn't just sitting there. The wall pushes back on you with an equal and opposite force. That's the reaction, and it's what sends you rolling away. This is how rockets work. The rocket pushes its exhaust gas down, the action, and the gas pushes the rocket up, the reaction. Once you know them, you see these laws everywhere. From magic tricks to sports to just jumping around, they're always in action. So, from a tiny apple to the entire universe, everything follows Newton's 3 amazing laws of motion. It's the secret code that keeps everything moving. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to Tender Intellects for more such fun videos.